If you're a photographer, you know about craftsmanship. Great photos are made with passion and dedication. So the gear we shoot with deserves the same. There's nothing purer than creating something with your own two hands. Because a camera strap isn't just an accessory. It's a statement, an identity, and a story. Available in 11 colors with a strong yet lightweight build and a braided structure, the straps feature vegetable tanned leather end pieces. And each one is sewn securely by hand. COOPH braid straps. By photographers, for photographers. When strength meets style. Get your braid strap now at COOPH.com.